Welcome back to the channel, folks. New product, Series 3, Naruto Kayou. Now, we are getting cases here. I don't know if it's because I was spending money. I don't know if Kayou prints to demand. That's something I need to speak to my distributor about. But I did put in for a lot of Kayou sets, and they have been showing up. I have a lot of Series 1 that showed up. I have a lot of Series 3 that showed up. We have K-pop Demon Hunters coming for the kids. We had My Little Pony show up. And we're going to be getting some cardboard, which is really cool. So this box right here comes with serialized cards. Series 2 came with serialized promos. There are big hits in these boxes that go for serious money. Here you have the rarities. Right here you can see the rates and the rarities. You have SE, ASP, AR, and they go down the line to SR and R. SSR common cards are my favorite. We'll show you those. But each one comes with a promo. You're going to get either Naruto or Sasuke. Okay, and that is the Naruto promo. So that is super cool. As you can see there, that's actually really cool. There's only one of two you can get. And I opened one by myself in my peace and quiet. This is the second one. So you get one of these two promos. These are absolutely stunning. Series 1, we have collector boxes on our website. They don't come with any serialized cards. Series 2 comes with serialized promos. And those go for big bucks on the secondary market. And so do the ones in here. So each one you're going to get rares. So the rares are kind of like the regular rares. They're like scene cards from the anime. Remember, this is not a TCG. It is a, and is that a case hit right off the bat? Wow. So that is a case hit. Oh my God! Serialized card on the first pack! Holy shit! Oh my, oh my God. Oh my God. Holy shit. Guys, I'm sorry. That could have been one of yours. Oh my God. I think I was due because I never hit anything. Whoa. So, guys, so that is the case hit. So, I'm not going to lie to people. If you buy the boxes from me, you're not going to get the case hit. Here's your hyper rare right here. These are like the holographic cards right here. And then your rare SR, common. These are like common cards. So you can see they have more like a static pose. The SSR, you can see, has a more of a holographic foil pose. These are my favorite by far. And then there's also URs, which are ultra rare, which have more of a like a portrait type of a pose. And we'll go through those. Wow, wow. I'm like hyperventilating. It's great. So you got here you go. So everyone will come with the rare. I'm not going to turn them. We'll just go like this. Rare. There's your SSR. There's your hyper rares. SR character rares. Very cool. Very cool if you're a Naruto fan. We also have Demon Slayer coming. I don't know any of these characters' names. I'm not going to lie. But, I can't even talk anymore. There's your UR. So you see like the portrait. It's got the extra face background here and more color to it. Really cool cards. And this is what most normal packs are going to look like. And it's really easy to complete the sets because you can sell these on eBay. A pack goes for around $3.99, and people sell them on eBay. And like this card will sell for like $2 on eBay. So you can get a lot of value for them. You can complete the whole set. Kayou has beautiful cards. As I stated, we also did get My Little Pony. I did do a collector box opening on that. However, I was nervous to sell those. That's a beautiful card. These SSRs are really beautiful. They do a really good job if you're a Naruto fan. And I was nervous to sell them. I didn't know what the market was going to look like. So we utilized eBay and Amazon, and we sold 2 cases in one day at full market price. It was absolutely nuts. That is a beautiful card. Itachi. And again, more SR cards with common. That's what most of your packs will look like. Rare, hyper rare, and things like to that nature. I got to check the value on that card later. I'm having anxiety attacks right now. and that is a beautiful card. So again, this is another rarity you can get in the box. Let's go through this pack first. There's your doubles, right? All the doubles you can sell on eBay. I put them on eBay and I use like coupons, buy 3, get 1 free. And you can see from the back of the cards, right? Your normal cards have these backs or a white back. The mid-level hits have this graffiti, and then the big hits are all black. It's the same with Series 1, and we'll see. But this is a beautiful card. I actually like this card better than this one. Oh my God. I should send that to PSA, right? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So we'll put that to the side. And again, that card probably sells for $5 to $7, maybe $10 on eBay. And you get value from these cards because this isn't Pokemon. You can enjoy them and open them for, really beautiful colors on these SSRs. You can open them, standard packs are $4 a pack. We have Series 1 collector boxes also on our website. They come with 5 packs, $20. Get yourself free shipping over $250. Look around the website. We're hoping to get some new product in from our distributors, and we'll see how that goes. But wow, holy shit. Man, that was awesome. That's it. I use my luck. I would rather pull a Soulstone, but when you're doing these box openings, that could happen because you're opening up product. Again, this is more colorful. You could see that they do a really good job with these ultra rares, and the SSR is just still my favorite. They're very colorful. They pop really well, and there's only 20 of them. You should get 12 packs in a box, and again, you can complete these sets pretty easily. Really, really cool if you're a Naruto fan. I hope they do more, maybe Dragon Ball. There's another UR. SSR, there's your hyper rares. These again are scene cards. You can see they're really not for me. I'm not a big fan of those. I give them away with orders usually on eBay. And here you go. These right here. It's the last one. UR, SSR, UR. Guys, comment down below. Like this video. I'm over the moon. I'm keeping that case hit. I'm sorry. But we're going to give away every other card in this box right here. So comment, like, and subscribe. And at the end of the week, I will give away all these cards to 2 lucky subscribers. ShopAPKCollectibles.com. Let's go!